How to see old Google Maps street views. So first is to open a tab and search for Google Maps. Then select the first result that will show. Now that we're in Google Maps, click this text box and input the place that you want to visit. For example, I want to visit Barcelona, Spain. So zoom in using your two fingers and then drag the cursor to move around. So when you drop this yellow figure on the map, you will see the current state of the place. So as you notice, this picture was taken back in February 2022. So when you click the See More Dates, you will see more photos of the same picture taken in different years. So the earliest photo goes back to June 2008. So through this, you will see the changes of the location in different times. And so that is how you see old Google Maps street views. Thank you and have a great day.